Alex found Busy Corner magazine on Lonely Planet's Thorntree Advisor Forum. He had already planned to be on Upolu and Savaii in the Samoan island chain, so the hop over to Tutuila was easy. He and Calixto, his Spanish backpacking buddy, chose to take the inter-island ferry across the channel and fly back to Upolu. Busy Corner couchsurfed the boys for 4 nights. During that time, Alex and Calixto made the Mount Olava Rainforest to Reef Eco-Study hike. Our final environmental learning experience was the hike to the Nuuuli Waterfall, an activity highlighted in Lonely Planet's Traveler Guide for Samoa. By the end of their visit, Alex and Calixto had earned enough credits to be awarded their Master Explorer diplomas from American Pacific University.